In today's video, I want to talk about the best essential oil combinations for hormone balance. And stick around to the end, I'm going to give you a free cheat sheet that you'll love. Hormones play a significant role in our bodies, and having an imbalance can cause all kinds of issues. Using essential oils can be an effective and natural way to balance hormones. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscription bell so you can be notified of any new videos. Guys, I'm Monica and I'm a wife and mom of 4 kiddos, and I've been using the essential oils for almost 8 years. And in that time, my health went from very confusing to very blessed. So I love to educate others about using natural medicine like essential oils. Let's get started with my best essential oil combination for balancing hormones: clary sage, geranium, and lavender. Combination is powerful for its soothing and calming properties. Clary sage can help balance estrogen levels, while geranium and lavender are known for their calming properties. These help reduce stressful feelings and promote relaxation. Second combination is frankincense and ylang-ylang. Frankincense has been shown to assist cortisol levels, a hormone that's related to stress. Ylang-ylang is a natural aphrodisiac that helps assist normal blood flow and also helps improve mood and reduce stressful feelings. Ylang-ylang also helps balance hormones. Their best essential oil combination is bergamot and peppermint. Bergamot is well known for its cheering properties and ability to help stressful and anxious feelings. And peppermint is an effective natural remedy for menstrual discomforts and is a powerful help during that time of the month. We have rose, neroli, and jasmine. These 3 oils are known for their ability to, again, help with anxious or depressed feelings. Rose oil is especially powerful for helping to balance hormones and reduce mood swings. Here are some of the best essential oils for balancing hormones. If you're interested in using essential oils for your family, don't forget to download my free cheat sheet, the Essential Oils for Families cheat sheet. It's completely free and it contains tips and remedies for using essential oils effectively for your family.